Welcome back to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to highlight active rows in Microsoft Excel. So let's follow the steps. First of all, select the whole sheet with Ctrl-A, then go to the Home tab. Search for the conditional formatting. Select New Rule here. Now scroll down and select the last option, that is, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here, you need to put a formula, and this formula is available in the description section of the video. Put it here, then click on the format. Here, there are multiple options. Select Fill, and then select the color for the active rows. For example, I'm going to select red. Press OK, and then click OK. Now you can see that the selected row has been highlighted with the red color. But if I go to the other rows, they are not automatically get highlighted. So what to do? Right? Click on this sheet, go to the View Code. Here you need to select the worksheet and write target.calculate between these first two lines. Now, close this window. Now you can see that as I select the row, it automatically get highlighted.